Game art course here at Solent is a fantastic course. We're one of the few courses in the country that actually specialises in game art.
The game art course at Solent is here to train students to become functioning game artists within the game industry. We focus on 3D environment art, we also focus on 3D character art.
3 years dedicated to learning 3D art for games, so by the time they graduate from here they're going to be specialists, which means they should be able to go out, get a job in the industry and have all the experience and expertise that they need to succeed.
I really like doing the 3D sculpting, so it's more like organic pieces that I've been working on, using a tablet to actually draw out on the computer assets to be used in game.
The thing I enjoy doing is actually making 3D models using softwares like Maya and 3ds Max. You can create objects from using reference sheets, and that's something I really enjoy doing, is creating a base model, adding details to it, then eventually texturing it, then adding it into a game engine to see how it works.
We focus on the two major pipelines you find in game development: the environment pipeline, which includes landscapes, buildings, cars, props, anything which will create a living, breathing game world. And then also we focus on the character pipeline, and that is where you create engaging characters for the games that you're creating.
When I started, I didn't have a good idea of how the industry worked, but now that's a big part of the course. I've definitely learnt a lot more about it. I've learnt more about what software the industries use as standard. So
before Solent I had no idea on what sort of career path I wanted to do within the gaming industry. Since studying at Solent, I've now realised that I want to become a game artist, specifically a prop artist. So I enjoy making unique assets within games, and that's the sort of route I would like to go down.
We, as lecturers, the staff who are teaching you, we all have experience within the games industry. We've all come from, at one point in time, from the industry, so we are effectively providing you with the knowledge that we have learned over our years in industry to help you move forward.
So from playing games, I've always wondered how game assets have been imported into games, and from doing the photogrammetry module, I've realised how things are done. It's something I've not done before, and I found it very interesting.
we did a collaboration module where we actually made a game with the programming course, so we actually learnt how it would work in an actual studio. So that was really interesting, and it was good to see how the different parts work together.
Our goal as a games course is to prepare our students for work in the games industry. We can support this through having industry come to the university to talk to our students, portfolio reviews, to guide our students.
So one thing we really pride ourselves on our games courses is that we welcome in a broad range of students. We understand that creativity needs to be encouraged. We need to give students a safe space in which to learn and be encouraged to develop themselves as people and as artists, coders and designers. And we give them that space, and it's something we're very proud of.